Just was looking closer and I see that they lost 3 family members. You see like the same last name here. That's a lot. And one family to lose. Pretty horrible. This family lost 4. Look at that. Looks like this small town lost a lot of people. Their families, some of them were really devastated pretty much. Some were on the side too. Eastmore's and Grangers and Johnson's. Wow. Hey, Flanny. Sad, isn't it?